Uh, it's say crazy. Uh, why is life like this? Why is life like this? Why is life like this? Uh. Why? Motherfuckers gotta talk shit. I leave the scene, but before that, I leave you hit. Yeah, little nigga going there against a giant. I'm well, little nigga, and I'm not even trying. You was even compared to this lion. And if it's beef, bitch, I'm gonna kill you when I ain't lying. All my niggas is a brother from a different mother. And the police is racist, but it's undercover. When I was younger, I used to get picked on, but now I pick on niggas who pick on. And these niggas looking phony, I can tell they fake. And if I hit to my heart and shit, your face gon' break. I get so high that I fly. Give me a cape, it don't matter. Any trap, bitch, I'm gonna escape without a bruise or scratch. Hotter than a lit match, but at the end, oh, I'm at you, the one on your back. I'm in the woods trying to find the right path. I try to go forward, but steady go back. I feel like I'm not a channel, I can't change. I feel like a dollar bill, I can't change. And out here shooting guns and niggas' hobbies. I live in Lakewood, aka the lake of bodies. There's too much stress that nigga can't take, and that's why every day I keep a blunt to my face. I'm sitting here like all this pain that we go through. I'm asking God, is this what we supposed to do? Is this what's supposed to make us a man? Supposed to make us stronger? I ride with my niggas, so you know I ride with honor. Death before dishonor, that's all I be. And if you fuck with my niggas, then it's R.I.P. And I'm trying to get peace and rest, but if you disturb me, how I put the fucking into your chest. And it's a nigga who would do a nigga best believe. They call me A Crazy, so leave me be. My name should speak for itself, motherfucker, and I'm broken. If you got some money, guns to your head, I'm taking you wealth. I don't think that these niggas really want beef. I fuck around to your car to fucking Swiss cheese. I try to make the impossible possible, overcome every obstacle, problem highly unsolvable. And why is life like this? Self-esteem get low, I bring it up with the piff. I bring it up with the piff. I feel like the man. I feel like the man.